Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will look about the NPTEL course Manufacturing Process Technology 1 and 2. Big for assignment 4 solution. Due date is 19th February 2025. How is metal mold different from sand mold during solidification? In an alloy, which of the following parameters are dependent: crystal growth, heat, material aesthetic, thermal gradient? A sprue in casting refers to which of the following is true for casting process? For a constant value, the shape of riser that has minimum surface area exposed for heat transfer is A by V ratio should dash while choosing dimensions of a specific riser design. Dash region in casting shows a dash decrease in temperature. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.